How to make an online course for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own online course. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is create the website for your course. So you can go on to any website builder, and I'm going to go through this step by step on how to create the website for your online course and how you can classify your course. So I'm going to run with the example of a photography course. So I am on Wix.com over here, and I've logged into my account, and I'm just going to click on create new site over here, and I'm just going to click on the create new site section, and after that I'm just going to choose the Wix website editor. I'm just going to select Wix over here. You can choose any website editor that you're comfortable with. You can use WordPress if you want. You can use anything that you want. And now I'm just going to click on skip over here. And now it's going to ask me what kind of widgets I want to add to my website. So because this is an online course, I want a chat box. I want a booking schedule because I'm going to offer a program and I'm going to add online program, and that's around it. So I want to add these three things, and I'm just going to click on next over here. And once I click on next, it's going to ask me if I want to edit a template or use the ADI. I'm going to click on edit a template, and we're going to be creating a website for a photography course. So you have different templates, you can get started with those, but we're going to start with a blank template. So you're just going to click on blank templates over here, and once you click on blank template, you can choose one of these layouts if you want, but I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to click on edit over here, and this is just going to load up a blank canvas for me to begin editing as my online course website. So this is just going to take a couple of seconds. I'm just going to wait for this to load up on our editor. So you can see over here that I have this blank canvas over here. This is like a basic homepage. Now on this homepage, first off, I'm going to add a header design. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on add over here. I'm going to add one of these strips, and I'm going to add like a classic little strip. So I'm just going to add this kind of strip background over here like this. And now I'm going to click on add. I'm going to click on heading, and I'm going to click on title, and I'm going to add this kind of tall title, and I'm just going to move this text to the top, and this is going to be the website name. So this is going to be Jane's photography course. And now I'm just going to increase the size of this like this, and I'm going to change the color into a dark deep maroon like so. I'm just going to select maybe purple would look better. Yeah. So I'm just going to keep this color. Now with this color, you can always click on your header, and then you can click on change header design, and then you can add more colors to your header. So let's say if I want to add this kind of muted green, actually looks very good. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to change the color of my text once more to fit this green. So I'm going to add that green shade, that greenish blue kind of look, and I'm going to make the color of the text a lot lighter. Yeah, so I think this looks pretty good now. Oh, I forgot to apply it to my text. So I'm going to go into the color, and I'm going to apply this color. So this looks pretty good. Now I'm going to change the strip background, and I'm going to add the color. And I'm going to add this color over here. And now I'm going to change up the look of the strip. So I'm going to make it page width like this because I want white borders on the ends. So once I have done that, what I'm going to do is because I'm offering the online course, I want it to be as elaborative and simple to use kind of website. So I want to add like a my work section or like a course registration section. So I want to add like a register now button, and then I want to add like a little bit of images and text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add over here, click on add. I'm going to go into the button section over here, and I'm just going to use one of these buttons. So look at these different kinds of buttons that are available. I'm just going to scroll, and there are quite a few that are available, but I am going to use one of these. Well, I don't know. I think I'm going to use this one. So once I have added this, I'm going to place it at the center, and I'm going to expand this like so, and I'm going to recenter it. And now I'm just going to click on the button. I'm going to click on change text and icon, and I want it to say register now. And I'm going to click on the design over here, or I'm just going to click on the change text and icon, later on going to add the link to it. So now I'm going to add a few images on the top, but before I do that, I want to expand the size of my strip. So I'm just going to click on the strip, and then you have these arrows which you can stretch down, and I'm going to stretch down this register now button. And now I want to place like a few images or like an image carousel. So I'm just going to click on add over here, and I'm going to go into the images section or the boxes. I'm going to click on gallery, and you can see there are quite a few different grid styles available. So I want to maybe add a deck slide or a accordion slide. I think I'm going to add a accordion slide, or a slider, or a accordion. Which one should we choose? I think I'm going to go with the accordion style. So I'm just going to load that up over here. And this is very large. So I'm just going to resize this to fit onto my little section that I want to create, like this. I'm just going to expand it like so. And then you can obviously add your own images. I am going to leave the images as is because they're like pretty photogenic, but obviously you're going to add your own images. Now, before I do that, I want to add like another layer of text over here that describes my photography course. So I'm going to adjust the page height once more, and I'm going to stretch this section out. I'm going to place the register now button above the photo gallery. I'm going to place this down below over here. Then I'm going to have my register now button, and over here I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to click on add. I'm going to go into the text section, and I'm going to take the tall text once more. I'm going to place it over here like this, and I'm going to add my text. So the pro photography course for beginners, and I'm going to just expand this over here like so. And once I've done that, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the color of this text, and I'm going to make it like the deeper shade of green. And now I'm just going to place this a bit down below, and I'm going to add some more descriptive text, or I'm just going to leave it as is. I don't think I need descriptive text right now. But now what you're going to do is you're going to create your second page. So you're going to click on manage pages over here, and then you're going to click on add page, and then you're going to add a blank page. And then what you're going to do is this is going to be the register now page. Registration like so, and you're just going to click on done over here, and then you're just going to click on close. Now you can see this is the registration page. So you're going to begin creating your forms for registration. So you're going to click on add over here, and then you can add instead of the registration page. So on our second page, you can also rename it. So you can just click on manage pages, and instead of registration, I think I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to rename this as courses. So this is our second page, which is going to be the courses. And within the courses page, I'm going to add the subpage of registration. So I'm just going to click on this, and now I'm just going to add my courses. So I am just going to add some icons to illustrate the courses. So let's say I have this, and I'm just going to add buttons, and it could be like the pro photography course, the miniature photography course, anything like that. So let's say I'm just going to add a simple little text to illustrate, or like a button to illustrate the courses. So I'm just going to scroll down and take a look at the decorative buttons as well. And I think I'm just going to lay these ones out in a grid form. This one, it's a button, but it's like with white background. I'm just going to change the background, or which one? I think I'm going to change this one out for customize design, background fills, and I'm going to add the background color. It is going to be one of my custom colors, so I'm going to add that green color that I've been using. And I'm just going to place this over here, and I'm going to offer 4 different kinds. So I'm just going to control C and then control V this button. If you want, you can do that, command C and command V, but I'm just going to click on over here. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste, and I'm going to add 4 buttons to illustrate the 4 courses. So we're just going to place them together, and then you can just multi-select them, click on copy, and click on paste over here like this. And then you're just going to change text. So you're just going to click on this, and then you're going to edit the text. So it could say pro photographer, and then this one could be beginner's guide. This could be the nature photography. This could instead be wedding photography, like this. And I'm going to change up the size to make sure all of this is well aligned with each other. So now all of these are the same size. Now you're going to just click on add, or you can just click on manage pages over here. And now you're just going to click on this, and then you can add sub page, or you can instead main page. And then you're going to add page. You're going to add your blank pages, and then you're just going to rename this into nature registration, add page, blank page. You're going to add your other page called wedding registration. So now you're just going to make this a sub page, and this is also going to be a sub page. So both of these are sub pages of the courses page. So you're just going to click on add page for all 4 of these. I'm going to make the rest of the 2 as well. So the third is our beginners registration. The final one, I suppose, was pro registration. We have that. Now we have our 4 basic subpages. Now within these subpages, the most important thing that you need to create is your actual registration form. So how do you do that? Well, you're just going to click on add over here, and you can just go into your ad apps if you don't have already. And in your app market, you're going to search for Ascend or Wix form, whatever you want. You're just going to click on Wix form, and you're going to click on add site. And then you're just going to add the Wix forms to your website editor. So this is just going to add the Wix form, and you can use the Wix ASIN marketing tools as well to create a simple little form for you to enter onto your website. So in that way, you can collect registration information and then register people for your courses. So it's very simple and easy, and providing an online course is not hard at all. I'm just waiting for this to load up on our website. So the form is created, and this is just wrapping up. So if you want, you can have like this kind of form, but I am just going to actually delete this entire section because I don't want like such an expansive form. I don't really need like this much detail on the form. Okay, so I will have to delete the form page, but I'm just going to click on pages, and I'm going to delete the forum page and delete the members page like this. And I'm going to go back into my sub pages, the nature registration form, and I'm just going to click on my ascent business tools. And then you can just add one of those you can just click on customer management. You're going to click on forms, and then you're going to add one of these contact forms. So it could be a contact or registration form. These are just for reference. You're going to enter your own inboxes as well. So this is just going to be a simple registration form that I want, and I'm just going to enter this over here, and this is just loading up on my page. And now you have your simple and easy registration form. So you can expand this like so it's a bit easier, and then you can just click on this form over here, and then you can click on elements, and then you can add different fields onto your form. So if you want to add like a price points, if you want to add credit card information, postal codes, all of that you can enter over here. That's totally up to you. And once you have done that, you're just going to click on save. And then once all of that is done, you are just going to click on publish over here, and your online course is ready. So if I click on view site over here, and obviously you can provide more detail, but if you just click on view site over here, this is the current website that I have. And if I click on register now, so I'm just going to click on my pages. I'm going to go into my home page, and then I'm going to click on the register now button, and I'm going to click on the link, and this will link to the page of courses. And then within the courses section, these buttons within the courses page, this button will, you're going to click on link, and you're going to click on choose a page. This is going to be pro photographer, pro registration. This is going to be nature registration. This is going to be wedding photography. They're just going to add all of those links onto the buttons like so. And now I'm just going to click on publish. I'm going to refresh my website once it has been published. And if I click on register now, it's going to take me to this page. And if I click on nature photography, it takes me to the registration form. And this is how easy and simple it is to create your online course form. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.